In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access saved posts on Reddit. Whether you're a new Reddit user or a seasoned Redditor looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can easily revisit the posts you've saved over time. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where to click can save you time and effort. First, let's get started by opening the Reddit application or website and logging into your account. Once you're on Reddit's homepage, you're going to want to navigate to the Profile menu. Now, you can find this menu typically represented as an icon or avatar of your profile picture. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile menu will reveal a drop-down list with various options related to your account. Now that you have the menu open, click on View Profile. This will direct you to your personal Reddit profile page, which contains an overview of your activity, posts, comments, and more. It's a great way to quickly see all the content you've interacted with on the platform. From here, you'll want to find the section specifically dedicated to your saved content. Next, on your profile page, you'll notice a list of tabs or options. These are different content categories associated with your profile, such as posts, comments, upvoted, and importantly, the Saved tab. Go ahead and click on Saved. This is where all the posts and comments you've chosen to save over time are stored. It's a convenient feature for when you come across something interesting or important that you want to revisit later. And just like that, you're done. You can now view and access all of your saved posts on Reddit. From here, you can scroll through to see the posts you've saved, and if you want, you can click on them to view the full content again. Some additional tips to enhance your experience. If you're managing a lot of saved content, consider going through your saved posts regularly to clean up any that you no longer need. This will keep your save list organized and ensure that it's easy to find what you're looking for in the future. Also, remember that you can save both posts and comments, which is ideal for keeping track of discussions or useful tips you've come across. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully, this makes navigating your saved content on Reddit a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to follow for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your Reddit experience.